What's up, what's up, what's up, what's up, what's up, guys, what's up? It's your boy Dalvin Smith, come to you with a follow-up video. You know what I'm saying? Just pay attention, right? As you can see, I present you with an opportunity called My Econ. You guys know the name of the company, you guys saw the payout and everything. So what I want to do is, I want to take it a little deeper and show you that this stuff works, right? You know what I'm saying? I'm not following up, keep showing you proof. I'm just trying to help. I'm just trying to build a team of leaders, right? That's all I'm trying to do, try to build a team of leaders, right? So, as you can see, I got my Google screen up. I wanna start everything off fresh, right? Everything fresh. I don't wanna have it on the website or whatever. But let me go to My Econ, right? It's the official website. Load. Right? Okay. Now, I know some of you guys probably skeptical, but you cannot be skeptical with proven facts. You know what I'm saying? So, I'm just going to get deep in it. You know what I'm saying? I'll show you some real proof, some live proof. Instead of sending you pictures, screenshots, I'm going to show you some live proof that this stuff rocks, this stuff works, that this stuff pays. So let me load and log. I'm going to log in my Econ account live so you can see everything, right? Okay, here's the website, the official website, right? I'm logging in my account. Okay, you see it? Well, this information already right there in my page. I'm going to click log in. Like I said, I want to show you some live proof, Forget the pictures and all that. I want to show you some live proof. Now, here's the back office. Welcome to My Econ, right? My Econ is a personal financial success company, right? We have different types of education platforms that teach you different things. Your taxes right now. Your taxes. Too many of you guys do not know nothing about your taxes, about your W-9 forms and how it works. And that's taking your money. They really taking your money. You don't know what's going on. You just sign it. You just sign your signature, put your name, put your social, right? We teach all of that in My Econ, right? Now, I probably mentioned you about the Smart Credit Repair Kit to help you boost your credit up. We have a do-it-yourself Smart Credit Repair Kit that teaches you how to increase your credit score to 750 or even higher. We also got ID Defender. Now, I'm not going to dive deep in this. I just want to give you some education. Alright? So, eliminate debt. We teach you. We got education. We teach you how to eliminate debt, invest, save. Alright? We teach you how to minimize your taxes so you can get an extra $200 to $1,000 a month back in your paycheck. Sounds cliche, huh? But I'm here to show you guys how this stuff works. But let me just go in my back office and show you some live proof that I have been getting paid with this company, and I just got started. Well over $1,000 made so far. Okay, after I show you all this proof right here, I'm gonna get even deeper. I'm gonna go to the Facebook group. I'm gonna show you the success. I'm gonna show you who all joining, who all making money, who all ranking up, and everything. About reports, right? You had the same back office. Nothing different about it, but your name. Let it load. Okay. Let me go to my commission reports. Congratulations, now you got someone, she made her first sale. So she made $35 today. You know what I'm saying? So basically, you made your money back. Okay, let's go to my commissions. I only got paid 3 times this opportunity. Okay? Why? My first week, as you can see, my First week I made $53.50. It's not too bad on the paycheck, but it's not the only opportunity I do. But it's the only opportunity that I got that's affordable. You know what I'm saying? So $53.50, right? My second week, $313.50. My third week, $618.50. Now, I don't want nobody to think that this is a scam, that this is Photoshop. Let me refresh the page. And refresh it again. It's not going anywhere. Real results. So, let's go in the Facebook group. It's a little personal. It's a little personal. Show you guys that the success that we got in this company. And it's taking off like hotcakes. The only thing you gotta do is take action. It's $34.95. You spend it every day. $34.95 can't even fill your tank up with gas. You got an opportunity in your face to make money online. When you join the opportunity, you'll have your own business. You'll be a business owner. So the thing you buy in the store is tax deductible. That means more money comes to your tax. On top of that, plus your job income, if you have a job. But let me go to the group. The name of the group is called My Econ Takeover. Why we name the group My Econ Takeover? Because it's a takeover. Sorry, no, it kind of raining hard over here where I'm at. Internet kind of slow. Give me some time. Let's go to the group, right? I tell you, it's something you do not want to miss out. Stop saying it's a scam. It's not a scam. It's 100% legit. And I'm going to show you guys. I'm not the only person doing this. I'm not the only person, trying to present you with the opportunity. I'm probably the only person that's presenting you with the opportunity, but other people's getting the opportunity, other people taking action. Only thing you gotta do is position yourself and take action. That's it. Just position yourself and take action. Alright, my bad. Okay, I know how to spell now. Just bear with me. Just bear with me, guys. Now, I just want to I just want you to just look at this video. Alright? When this Facebook group pull up, I want you to check out the success. Check out how many people join. Check out our relationship. Check out our live training. You got to support. You just got to take action. You have support. You don't have to worry about, I'm not going to make money. I can't do this. You just got to take action. Actions speak louder than words. Here's the group. Now, do not search this group and try to join. It's only for paid members. People that's on the team. So instead of me adding you to the group so you can look around, I want to show you a live presentation. I'm so sorry about this internet connection. It won't happen no more. Boom. Yeah, let it load. It's gonna get hectic when you can see these results and these people ranking up, these people banking out big commissions. My leader, right? He made $13,000 last week. I know what you guys thinking. It's too good to be true. Well, keep thinking that. But I'm here to show you that this is not too good to be true. It's true. $13,000 in 1 week. Literally. With my econ. You scroll down. Check out the success, guys. A little bit drop down. Check out the success. This our group is growing. There's over 4,000 people in this group, as you can see. People's getting welcomed in every day. You just gotta take action. You just gotta position yourself. You just gotta position yourself. See, 4 minutes ago. Everyone, please welcome Tamia. She just joined. God, this is a credit repair opportunity. Credit repair. You file federal taxes just like any other job. So when you join, you file your taxes at the end of the year. And guess what? You're a business owner. So business owners get more money back in taxes. But you see it. You got people joining. You got people joining. One of my mentors right here. I will show you the chick. Matter of fact, let me show y'all some proof real quick. Let's show you some proof that this stuff rocks. People are making money on my econ. Let's show you some proof. It's not all about the money I make, you know what I'm saying? Because I'm focused on building my team. I can have $2,000 a week, but I'm focused on building my team. Hope that makes sense. This is my first check. Here's the guy out there that made $13,000. $13,000 in 1 week with my econ. It's not hard. It's not hard to market this. Right now, you need 20 people to 100 that need their credit repair. They need that help with credit. Hold on just a second. I'm trying to get... Sorry about the internet, guys. Let me get right here in these comments right here. Look at the proof. Let me say we drop without commission. We drop it what we made. Boom. Boom. See the numbers. Stuff real. I sent you the same exact picture. Screenshot. I just got, let me go back to it. You see it? Let me go back to it. You see how that picture look? Look at it now. My name gonna be right there and my three commission payout. Boom. Nothing sketchy about this. All thing I gotta say is get back with me. Take action. Let me show you guys how we making money with my econ. On top of that, you don't have to put too much work in. You have presentation every Thursday. You just bring everybody interested to the presentation. I saw someone made, I think, he made like $1,000 that Thursday because he brought like 100 people to the webinar. He just started, you know what I'm saying, reaching out to people they interested. He'll just be like, okay, Thursday, you know what I'm saying, going down. He'll bring it to the group. The 6-figure earners, people like him. One of my friends, we connected. You know what I'm saying? But I want to say it real. If you want to make some money and you want to be successful in life, you got to take advice from people like this. People that got what you want, you got to take advice from. You got to take advice from people like this. As you see the pictures and stuff, you know, he living lifestyle. A 7-figure earner. But that's all I got to say. You guys take action. Get back with me. Let me show you how this opportunity to turn your life. Dalvin Smith, I'm checking out. Peace.